So everybody, and welcome to the Crypto Outlook. So yesterday I didn't have time to make the webinar for the crypto, but today I found some time to make the webinar and arrange the webinar. So one more thing, guys, can you please use the chat and confirm that everything works properly, because here I have some error message that some bitrate or something like that, it's not working properly for streaming. So please use the live chat and let's confirm that, so I will know that everything works properly and I can continue with the streaming. I don't know why this error is there. I didn't change any settings, so that's supposed to work. Let's see. Hello. So please, guys, use the live chat. Let me know if my sound and screen works properly. You can hear me, you can see my screen, no lags and so on. So the way like that we will continue with the webinar. Otherwise I will have to fix that problem. Let's see. That should be working properly. So everything looks good. Okay, that's fine. Thank you very much for the confirmation. I hope everything is okay. If there will be something not working properly, please let me know. Then I will try to fix it. But if everything works fine, then that's more than great. Okay, so let me quick check again. Everything is up. Okay, so this one is good. It should work now, but we will see. Okay, so once again, welcome to the Crypto Weekly Market Outlook. Today on this webinar we will talking just about the crypto, because as you know, if you're one of the old subscribers, old followers, we now split the webinar into 3 parts. First part was the forex. The recording was, the live was yesterday, but the recording was uploaded on my profile on TradingView or on my YouTube channel. Depends where you are watching from, which platform are you following us. Just simply go to the uploaded videos and watch it if you want only the forex. Okay, but today we will take a look what we have on forex, how it goes, what it did, so what we can learn since previous recording of crypto, and which investments are really good now to keep an eye on, to track and to buy for the longer term. Okay, so again we have a couple of investments that will be ready soon, so they are worth of watching it. And if you have some spare money, just put some money inside there, because it's setting up for a nice moves. Okay, so I think the potential of some of them are around 400 to 500, 600, something like that percents to be made. Okay, so if you have any questions, if you want to join our team, our academy, links of my social sites are under every published idea, under every video, so see the description, check it, and if you have any questions, send me the private message and I will give you more details about it. Okay, so as you know, as if you were watching and following us since last few months, we are taking trades together now with the traders. Okay, we until Sunday we took 130 trades, 15-16 trades were stop loss, the rest was break even or the profit. Now we change the rules and now we start fresh. We add some more trades, and I think that we will take even more now in a month. I think we will take around 180 trades. So far so good. We are doing now, we already since Sunday we already opened I think 9-10 trades, something like that, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so we are taking trades together. Traders are taking decisions what to do with the trades. Okay, this is the only way how they will learn, how they can get the experience and become profitable traders. Okay, they have to take their responsibilities to call an option for the trade, and this is what is really beneficial, as I can see. Okay, they are really nicely getting the experiences by being responsible for trades, calling an action for trade, and all of us are doing the same. If someone said break even, we close on break even. If someone said leave it open, we all leave it open. Okay, so we are following the same rules, and we are doing so far so good. Okay, so if you want something like that, if you want to be the part of our team, want to speed up your trading knowledge, then you feel free to join us. Just send me the private message and I will give you more details. So let's go now what we have learned since previous weekly market outlook, let's say like that. Okay, so those who've been watching me previous weekly market outlook, let me just bring the screen over there, so look at that one. Previous weekly market outlook, the recording, it's posted on my profile on YouTube and as well on TradingView. So if you go back, watch it, you will learn something we've been discussing about on 6 and 25 minutes of the video. If you go there, you will see what we were discussing, that Bitcoin can go up, okay, from their correction and then go up. If not, and if this is the expanded Fed, what the price will do, I have shown you a nice picture. It will go down and then it will just drop. So what the price did, let's have a quick look, let's learn something from these kind of behaviors. Okay, so what the price did, let's go to the 1 hour. What the price did, okay, so look at that one, correction, drop. So let's see what happens. It drops, correction, and if you take a trade, great. You see, this is the knowledge, this is what I'm saying, and this is how you should be trading. Okay, we're doing this all the time inside of the academy with members. They are learning, we have the rules, when to do what, when to get out, when to take trades, when to put orders, and so on. Okay, and of course what we were discussing there on this webinar was, look at that one, exactly what we anticipated. Make an expanded flat, drop down, and then go up. You see, so what the price did, it did a expanded flat as expected. Okay, and guess what, correction was there, and went down, break the low. Now what we're anticipating, a buy movement. Okay, you see, I ain't gonna go and watch this video with you, but you have to do it by yourself. Okay, go back and watch the recording, you'll definitely learn something new. But today I would love to share with you what we are seeing on the market currently, what we are expecting. So let's go. I don't want to make this webinar too long. Okay, would love to make it short and, let's say, powerful. Okay, educational, let's say like that. So Bitcoin is gonna go higher. There's no any other questions. We all can see now this is still the correction for buy, and this is completed. Okay, so I see that this leg is completed and we are going now higher. So what is currently it's doing, I see there a nice correction which is appearing over there. So if you will try to buy it, this thing should go really fast back at this top. Okay, breaking this top, it's really possible and it could happen really fast. So watch for the upcoming weeks, let's say like that. You could be buying. Similar move as happened over there, it could happen over there. It will go back, break the top, and then it could start to drop. So any buy that you will take, they ain't gonna be for too long, only short-term buys. Okay, taking a buy back at this top, you have to take all your profits from there. Why? I don't see this one is going totally to the top. Okay, so I really don't see that this is all and this is going totally to the top. Okay, so I really don't see this kind of the behavior, at least not yet. But first let's focus on this medium term buy, let's say like that, and keep an eye for flex for the buy, take the trade, and let's see how they will go, how fast they will move. What else? So yeah, now what I do recommend you are long-term investments. Okay, we'll show you the setups for the long-term investment, then we'll go to the other setups to see what the crypto is setting up for, what the rest of the crypto is setting up for. So LIT, this is really long trade. Okay, and if you go back and watch the 8th of March, I think we were somewhere there, webinar. Okay, 8th of March. Okay, if you go back, watch this webinar, you will find that we've been buying it over there. Okay, so we were buying it over there in there. This was the profit, 87% of the profit was this. Starts to drop, you have to close it somewhere there. Now what we are doing, Now what you have to do is wait to break the low. Okay, this thing can just struggle over there, correction can get a little bit bigger, something like this. It still has to go down, break this low, and then you can buy back. Okay, you will be buying for at least the same kind of the movement like this one, but what I'm aiming for is that this thing will gonna go even higher now. Okay, I really see that this is all of the correction that we will have. We'll break the low, and then it could go at least back to this top or even that one. So those two possible targets will be there. So any low you buy, at least 800 is your first taking profit area. The second one is 2000% of the profit. Okay, that's the maximum what you can get out of your investment, and it's really good. Okay, if you go and run for this kind of the move, keep an eye, watch it, and go for the movement. It's worth of taking the trade. FIL, similar kind of the movement. So if you do remember what I was warning you, go back, watch the webinar if you don't believe me, and you should not if you're first time there. You have to check everything what I said. So go back and watch the webinars since 8th of March. Okay, here down is my date. Go back, find the webinar from the 8th of March, see what I was saying. Okay, check what I was saying and see how chart goes. Okay, I was calling the buy and it went up by for 50% at least. Now it's going down. You should taking off all the profits over there. So this was the small profit that you should be able to generate. If not, then break even trade. Then you are the worst trader. You have to probably join us. Okay, you have to join us. If you close this trade with the break even trade, you're doing something really wrong. Okay, so now what we are anticipating is that this will probably go lower, and once it breaks the low, you can start buying it again. Okay, you have a possibility and there will be some chances to buy back this chart. And how far, what is our potential to be made? I think there's as well a nice potential profit, at least 1100%. It's what could be generated over there. So good investment as well. Back at the top, that could be just some kind of the correction. Okay, and this will be your trade. How far or how long you will have to hold it, I have no idea. This could be really fast. That could plays out in next 2 to 3 months. Maybe it could take up to 6 months. So don't expect that you will enter the trade and take your money out in next month or in next, let's say, 2 weeks. That ain't gonna work out, my friend. Okay, so this is the investment. I'm showing you the investing trades. So this is some kind of the bonus that I'm sharing with you, sharing to all my followers, my subscribers. Here's some money where you can make nice profit, let's say like that. Okay, another one. So LIT, FIL, it's another one. The third one is the dodo. Okay, I think this is nicely pushing lower, and let's see. Oops, sorry. And let's see what this one's trying to do. This one is a little bit different. Okay, I'm not saying that you ain't gonna buy. Of course you'll buy. Okay, this is the expanded flat, went lower, now it's correcting. We'll go a little bit lower, then it will go up. It could make a running flat, and then we'll go down, break the low again, and then it will go up. Okay, so anyway, you are watching from new low to buy back again. Okay, you will buy back again, of course. This is the expanded flat. What I'm saying, let it break low, you can buy back. Okay, this could be a fast trade. It could go nicely to the upside, and keep an eye on it. Okay, what I was trying to say is that this will be maybe maximum what you will get out of the profit. Okay, so let's say the maximum or the minimum, sorry, the minimum what you can get out from this trade is 492% of your investment. I think it's as well nice profit that you can generate. So keep an eye on it as well. This SRR, the same one. Okay, kind of similar one. Let it break the low, you can buy. Let's see how far this can go. Okay, there's still possibility that this could be the running flat and go for another low and then go higher. Okay, so as well, this will be the minimum what you can get out. Again, 400%. Okay, 500, let's say 500% on dodo and SRS. They are both forming for 500%. Thank you very much, Mate, for the confirmation that everything is fine and sound works perfectly. So thank you. I don't know what happened because I got some error over there. It was it was written that something is not working properly, so yeah, hope it's working. That was just a fake message. So just a second, guys. Okay, so here I am back again. Another one will be the TLM. That's what I'm seeing on there, and as well good investment. So keep an eye on this earning flat, break the low, you can buy again. Okay, so again there, this one is as well good one. Okay, I'm not saying that anyone is bad one, but just choose one of them. At least 700% is over there, as you can see. So choose one, go for one, and see which one will give you the best returns. Okay, don't take them all, and don't put all your money inside into those coins, let's say like that. Okay, so small money you can make over there, just at least for a vacation, let's say like that. Okay, so this is it. What else do we have there on the other charts? Let's discuss about it. So this is what I have already explained. Bitcoin dominance, that's gonna struggle probably. Let's see. Yeah, this is what this is only trying to do. It can go up and it can go down still, okay, right? XRP, this one, it could go up, down and up, or it could just go straight up. Okay, wait for the flag, take a buy, see how far it goes. Ethereum USD, same there. This one could be the similar like Bitcoin. Okay, same behavior, same flag, take a buy, break the top, take off your profit. It can go lower, break the low, and then go high. Okay, so keep an eye on it, see how it plays out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to use the chat. I will answer all your questions, so no worries. LTC, similar like XRP, running flat, going lower. It could just drop down and go higher, okay? And if this is the contracting flat, then this could just break all those lows and then go higher. That's as well possible. ADA, what this one's trying to do? Be careful. If you take this buy, put on break even really fast. Okay, if this flag not going, then this will become running flat. It will go down, break the low, and you can buy back from the low. Okay, mostly they are trying to tag the previous low. We already discussed about all of them, though they are really good investments. So keep an eye on them and see how they plays out. ANG, same there, going up, give us a running flat, going down, break the low, and then we'll see this one as a correction. So maybe we have a double correction over there. Running flat, this one, and now again, or this could be completed, sorry. This could be running flat over there. It went low, break the low, now it could go up. Yeah, this can go totally up. So keep an eye on this one. Let's see flag, take a buy, see how far it goes and how it goes. Hello everyone. What link are you searching for? For my social links, social links to my website are under the video in the description, or you can just simply go to my TradingView profile. Here's the link where you will find the website, and here you can join us. Okay, of course you will have to pay the subscription, and then I will give you all the access to our academy. You'll get the educational stuff, you will get the access to the video lessons, and of course you'll gain the access where we are discussing about the trade, taking the trades, calling in action for trades, and so on. So what else do we have over there? Acro, same there. Okay, this could just give us the running flag going down. What I see, okay, so if I will sum up everything, what I see on crypto currently is that they all have to break this low. Okay, they all have to break the previous low before they can turn. Okay, but if they correct now, since next few days, you can take a buy. This is gonna be just the running flat or even expanded flat. It will still go down. This low, it will still be broken. It's gonna go down and then up, but you can make some money over there in this move. This is what I'm trying to share with you. Okay, some medium term buys over there in the worst case scenario. Depends how Bitcoin will go and how far will go. That everything depends on it. So this one was trying to do, if it corrects over there, it will go lower as well, tagging this low. You see, mostly all of them are trying to go and tag this low. All the previous lows supposed to be tagged over there. So some of the trades were over there. If you took them, break even trade, of course. And yeah, do you have any question? I ain't gonna go through all of those cryptos. They are all much more the same. I don't see a lot of difference between any of those. So any questions, feel free to ask. Yeah, they are the same. They are the same. So keep an eye there on the Bitcoin. I think the Bitcoin it's nicely correcting there for upside. Okay, I think this is the nice correction for more upside. So keep an eye and see how that plays out. It could be a really nice, let's say, medium-term investing over there on the cryptos. Okay, to all my traders who are currently probably on the webinar, nobody didn't say about the trades. We are now having a nice trades in the profit. They are running well. SPX is leading Bitcoin at the moment. Do you ever try that? I'm not that sure that there exists some leadings between Bitcoins and indices. So basically, I would rather disconnect those leadings because it could mislead you. So what I prefer to stick to only one chart and watch it as a separated chart. Don't try to connect it. Don't try to watch for correlations, leadings, and so on. That could confuse you, and we tried that, but it didn't play out well. This is what we've been backtesting few months ago, and it didn't play out well. So I really do not recommend to everyone using this kind of stuff. So do you have any questions, guys? If you don't have any question, then we'll slowly end the webinar over there. So once again, if you would love to join me, join our team, trade with us, developing with us, getting experiences with us, feel free to go to the website. The link is under the video, or you'll find the link on my profile. Over there's the YouTube, there's the website. Feel free, or you can send me the email to contact me if you have any additional questions. Just feel free to contact me. Okay, so I will end the webinar over there and see you next time on the next weekly market outlook. The next one will be over there. We will talk about the indices and commodities, of course. Okay, then we'll have a discussion about the gold, silver, oil, and some of the indices. They're doing nice as well. Okay, so